We know that this proto-frog, Triatobatrachus, was likely Pangean. So we know this was very early during the time when we had this big supercontinent, about 240 million years ago, roughly. Gondwana land was when you took this big Pangea continent and you split it in half. Half of it went north and became North America and Europe, and the other half went south, and that became South America and Africa and India. And as Gondwana land, this southern continent, started breaking up into pieces and parts, different frogs evolved in these different pieces and parts. So Gondwana land seems to be where a lot of our frogs evolved. Climate is changing, things are getting colder, things are getting warmer. You have what we call refugia. And these refugia are places where the frogs can live that they're separated from one another. And as we separate things, we make them genetically isolated from one another. And if you do that genetic isolation for enough time, when you put them back together, they're different species. And we can see over and over, as the climate has changed, species populations have touched one another and not touched one another, that we can see fairly rapid speciation over and over and over again.